guys, so this is about 1.5, maybe 2 hours later. I was dying of hunger. I haven't had anything since I woke up, and it's like 3 in the afternoon. So I just ran to get something to eat, and I'm back. Like, I washed my hair out, ran to the cafe to get some food, and I ate, and I'm back. So my hair is a bit dry now, as you would expect. I have no products in it. So I have my spray bottle. I threw the apple cider vinegar out and washed it out, so it's just pure water. And these are the products that I'm going to be using today. So I'm going to be doing the LOC method. If you guys don't know what that is, it's LOC. So it's leave-in, like that's the order that you would put your products in. So you do leave-in first, and then you do an oil, and then you do a cream. It doesn't, like for oil, the oil is just to act as a sealant. So I have this, but if you have shea butter, this is also a sealant, so you could use this in place of an oil. It's just olive oil, extra virgin olive oil, and Jamaican Black Castor Oil. So this is the leave-in that I'm going to be using today. I love this thing. It's the Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioning Repair Cream. I love it. It really, like, it. My hair loves it. My hair would get like super curly from just using this product alone. And then for the cream, I'm going to be using another product from Cantu, but this is their Moisturizing Twist and Lock Gel. And they both smell so good. So I'm going to just put my hair in some big doodle twist and let it dry. So I'm just getting my hair wet again because it feels so good though. Like, it's soft. I wish you guys could feel it. So I'm taking my leave-in. I have this much. I'm just putting some on my ends. Now I'm gonna take my oil and I'm just gonna apply it to like my roots and run some down on my hair and my ends and like massage it into my scalp. For my cream, like, it's so thick, like so thick and pudding like this. I don't know, I just love playing with it, like it just jiggly. So I'm using this brush just to go through my hair and make sure the product is like, you know, like really in there. Alright guys, so I'm finished with these twists. I'm so tired. My hands hurt me. Like, I started my wash day when it was bright and the sun is gonna go down soon. Like, wash day is no joke, seriously. And some people have even more complicated wash routines than me. I stopped to eat, so I'd be finished already if I didn't eat, but I was dying. So I'm just gonna let this dry because, as you can see, the product is still on my hair. But anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. Make sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button. Don't forget to subscribe, join the family. We are growing. I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers and that's just a big deal for me. So if you're watching and you're not yet subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe. And yeah, you can follow me on my socials. They're on the screen and also in the description box. I'll see you guys in my next video.